Russian authorities have announced the largest evacuation of Russian citizens from a war zone since the Second Chechen War. Nearly 194,000 people are set to be evacuated from areas in the Kursk and Belgorod regions due to the ongoing Ukrainian military offensive, according to statements from regional governors. In the Kursk region, acting governor Alexei Smirnov said that 180,000 residents from 8 districts, including those near the Kursk nuclear power plant, will be relocated. So far, 121,000 people have already fled their homes. In the Belgorod region, Governor Vyacheslav Gladkov reported the displacement of residents from the Krasnoyaruzhsky district, citing enemy activity near the border. This district is adjacent to the Belovsky district in the Kursk region and is home to 13,800 people. According to Agence TVO Media, the last time Russians fled in such large numbers was during the Second Chechen War. In the autumn of 1999, around 300,000 people fled Chechnya for Ingushetia. Unlike the current organized evacuation, the Chechen War saw residents fleeing independently. However, such a massive organized evacuation hasn't been conducted in Russia since World War II and is comparable in scale to the evacuation from Leningrad in 1941, where 488,700 people were relocated. Alexei Smirnov, the acting governor of Russia's Kursk region, told the Russian Current Time TV channel that the region's evacuees will be moved to the occupied Zaporizhia territory. He said he had agreed this with his counterpart, the Russian-appointed head of the southern Ukrainian region, Yevgeny Belitsky. Smirnov added that flights would be organized to take evacuees the 550 kilometers, 341 miles, from Kursk to temporary accommodation centers, including sanatoriums and boarding houses, on the coast of the Azov Sea between Berdyansk and Kirillovka. The evacuation plan will involve residents from 5 districts on the border with Ukraine, including the Sudzhansky and Belovsky districts. Numerous reports over the last week have told how villages were left to their own devices to escape from the armed forces of Ukraine advance, with groups appealing on video for Russian President Vladimir Putin's help in getting out. The first groups of evacuees will be transported to temporary accommodation in the Zaporizhzhia region in the near future, Smirnov wrote on Telegram. Smirnov said that since the start of Ukraine's August 6th cross-border incursion, 28 settlements were now under the control of the AFU. The Ukrainian open-source intelligence project Deep State claimed that Kiev's forces occupied 44 settlements. President Volodymyr Zelensky put the figure at 74, and his commander-in-chief Alexander Syrsky said that about 1,000 square kilometers, 386 square miles, of Russian territory had been taken. Russia's Ministry of Defense said that it had suppressed Ukrainian attempts to advance, while the pro-Russian mill blogger Two Majors reported that the Ukraine continues to transfer reserves in new directions and was stretching Russian armed forces. Russian Telegram channels report a drone attack on Russian Voronezh last night. By preliminary information, drones targeted Baltimore airfield. Aircraft launching guided aerial bombs on Ukraine take off from it. Savoslayka airfield was also under a drone attack. MiG-31 take off from here. They carry Kinzhal missiles. Their launch leads to an air raid alert all over Ukraine. In a tense voice, Russian propagandist Skabiva lists different measures that Lithuania, Romania, Moldova, Finland, and other countries are taking that are causing Russia worry. She sounds impressed. She forgets to congratulate the great geostrategist Putin on his achievements for bringing NATO closer to Russia. This video is several days old, but I thought I'd share it.
Министр обороны Литвы Кащунас заявил, что Вильнюс закупил и направил границы с Россией и Белоруссией так называемые зубы дракона, а также противотанковые мины. Ну а в Молдавии стартовали совместные с США и Румынией учения «Огненный щит-2024». Угадать, с кем готовится воевать уже несложно. Еще один новый и крупный хаб НАТО построили в Румынии. Там тоже не обошлось без наследия СССР. Антироссийский плацдарм Альянс создал на базе аэродрома советских времен. «Таймс» пишет, что авиабаза Михаил Когалничану в 2 раза больше немецкой базы «Рамштайн». Как сообщает командование ВВС США в Европе, Пентагон уже разместил там 2 межконтинентальных бомбардировщика Б-52 «Стратофортресс». Перед заходом в Румынию американские самолеты провели обучающий полет над границей Финляндии и России. Это впервые в истории. Вражеские стратеги подошли практически вплотную к Кольскому полуострову, где базируются российские ракетные подводные лодки. Также в зоне досягаемости оказался аэродром Оленья, с которого российские стратегические бомбардировщики Ту-95МС регулярно взлетают для ударов по Украине. То есть Североатлантический альянс как бы показывает, что не исключает возможный конфликт с Москвой. Ну и новоиспеченный член военного блока Финляндия собирается пересмотреть статус Аландских островов. Этот архипелаг в Балтийском море на входе в Ботнический залив исторически считался демилитаризованной зоной, но сейчас финны проводят учения по обороне этих земель. Всерьез опасаются, что Россия попытается их захватить, чтобы обеспечить контроль над севером Балтийского моря.
One of the innovations presented at the Russian Army 2024 forum is this rock with a hole. It costs 5 million rubles, about $55,000. Reportedly, this is a spy transmitter with a camera and microphone. It needs a wire up to 1 kilometer and a remote to work. Any buyers? Tatyana Butskaya, first deputy chairman of Russian Duma Committee for Family Protection, has proposed making the life of single Russians financially unprofitable, e.g., increasing mortgage rates for them. According to Butskaya, the life of unmarried people should become unbearable because living in a family is more profitable than living alone, and it's much better for producing cannon fodder for the Tsar's wars.
Семейному человеку должно быть по жизни более выгодно, чем быть несемейным. Ну, не знаю, начиная с того, что, например, если сейчас там молодой парень пойдет брать ипотеку, решит, что он хочет сначала пожить для себя, получить 3 образования, под сколько процентов он ипотеку получит? Под 20. А если тот же самый парень сделает предложение девушке, в которую он влюблен уже полгода, у них родятся дети, то ипотека уже будет под 6%.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.